Ryan, tonight's interview question, what does PLUR mean to you?
PLUR means to be good vibes, good friends, living the music, and just living every day like it's your last.
Alyssa, what does PLUR mean to you?
I think PLUR means the abbreviation of plural, like more things going on in your life.
Woo! Robin, what does PLUR mean to you?
Please leave underwear rectangle.
Sean, what does PLUR mean to you?
Oh my god. Getting a lick on the face. Oh my god.
PLUR means never having to ask for someone to refill your beer.
Is it an acronym? How do you get an acronym?
You ready?
No,
Okay.
I don't know what the question's gonna be. I'm scared now.
What is your personal definition of PLUR?
PLUR? It's good. I don't know. PLUR?
Dewey Booey, what does PLUR mean to you?
PLUR means peace, no fighting, no arguing, love. You love everybody no matter what race, color, religion, whatever. Unity, we're all human beings. And then respect each other.
Amen. I'm here with